Hey guys, how's it going? This is Jose here with International Solutions. Here what we have in this picture is going to be a resemblance of a high resistance, okay? Once you turn your key, your initial key, and try to crank the engine, of course you turn the key to the right and your voltage here drops all the way to 10 volts. The first thing I will go look at will be my battery, make sure my batteries are fully charged. Second, I will look through my wiring, make sure there's no loose wires, cut wires, or loose ends on the actual grounds. So this is what a high resistance will look like, and this is not normal, and the truck will not start.